Hello friends, Assalam Alaikum. In this video, I will be show you a cool little hidden feature in VLC Player that's turn any video into a attractive jigsaw puzzle, all while the video continue to play. For more instructions, make sure to check out my full tutorial. So let's start. First, open your VLC Player. Then click Extended Setting right here. Click Video Effect. And click Geometry right here. Puzzle game. The box is unchecked. Be sure to check it. Here is the row and column as you required. Save and close. And close. Play the video. You see, the puzzle is on. That's cool. This one. Shuffle. Open again. Go to the extended setting. Video effect. Geometry. And uncheck. Save and close. Hope the puzzle is long, simple. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Allah Hafiz.